from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
New bus service in Virginia could impact Henrico, and the county's Board of Supervisors will hold a public hearing tonight. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, March 26, 2024. It's brought to you today by My Empanada.
And now for the news.
A new proposed east-west bus service across Virginia could be impacting Henrico County and the Richmond region. Virginia Breeze, which is the state's intercity bus service, currently offers 4 routes, and for the first time it's being proposed to expand to include coverage from Harrisonburg to Virginia Beach beginning next summer. An announcement about the new option is expected in May, pending approval by the Commonwealth Transportation Board, which will have to pick one of 2 possible route plans and give an annual investment of at least $500,000 to fund the effort. Virginia Breeze was established in 2017. It connects underserved rural communities daily to other transportation modes like national bus networks. The 2 routes being proposed each will generate at least 16,000 riders a year, according to officials. The first plan calls for stops at Richmond International Airport and in Newport News, Williamsburg, and New Kent, while the second option would include stops in Suffolk, Petersburg, and Henrico's Staples Mill area, a transportation hub that's also home to Amtrak's most used station in the southeastern United States. You can read much more about these options right now on our website from our partners at Virginia Mercury. The legislation that passed the General Assembly will introduce new topics for Virginia public school students to learn about, including mental health, opioid prevention, allergic reactions, and hazing prevention, as well as local government structure. But in many cases, there's no set timeline yet for when that instruction may begin. Some of the proposals add a specific focus to current curriculum, while others are completely new. Today on HenricoCitizen.com, our partners from the Capitol News Service take a look at some of these proposals in greater detail. You want to check that article out. Tonight at 5 o'clock, the Henrico Board of Supervisors will hold a public hearing on the proposed budget for the coming fiscal year, $1.25 billion general fund budget and a $327.1 million capital budget. That hearing will be held in the Board of Supervisors room at the county's Western Government Center. You can attend and address the budget in person or via WebEx online. The board is then scheduled to adopt a budget 2 weeks from tonight at its April 9th meeting. And today on HenricoCitizen.com, our managing editor, Patty Krzyzewski, brings you up to date on a number of happenings in the dining scene in Henrico County, including some reviews of the county's newest steakhouses and other restaurant news and notes. You can find that right now on our website. And every Monday now on HenricoCitizen.com, we are featuring a different Henrico Small Business and the story behind it. Yesterday, in case you missed it, yesterday's Henrico Small Business Spotlight shines the light on a local candle maker. You'll want to check that article out on our site. For the best in authentic Latin American street food, look no farther than My Empanada in Henrico's West End. My Empanada offers sweet and savory flavors with a variety of options, baked fresh or available frozen for take and bake. Their delicious empanadas are made from traditional South American recipes. Owners Juan and Claudia Urea are natives of Colombia, and they're excited to share a bit of their culture with you. Stop by My Empanada at 1421 Blue Jay Lane at Blue Jay and Quioccasin Road, just behind the Suba Lakshmi Indian Grocery, or visit myempanada.net or call 804-203-3473.